Alright, I thought I'd do a quick update on the Royal Junior now that she's put back together. I straightened out that paper finger bar and the fingers so they actually go into touching the platen like they should. That thing was so tweaked and twisted, that was a nut job to fix. But I don't think it was kids playing with this. And I also used a left-hand platen from a Royal P for my right-hand platen on here. But there's scuff wear here. Oh, right here up at the tip edge here. And that's where this whole thing was dragging, and it had a small scuff on the other side, but dragging and twisting everything up. Well, the reason for that turns out that this cover had been back too far. And all that is unscrew the 4 screws and pull it towards the space bar. And it's one of those things you can only feel it move. You won't even be able to put a measurement to it, but it's enough to clear everything nice. So I think on these old typewriters like this, and it was tight, and that screw had never been out and all that, so that was just it walked in time, perhaps being on its back in a case. I don't know. Again, this is a Royal Junior. You know, everything delete. No bell, no frills. You don't even have to use ribbon eyelets. You know, when you slice them out, because there's no reverse like that. There's a little switch here on the side to kick to either side for the direction of travel of the ribbon. But let's put some paper in, and you don't have any little fingers in the back that come up to. I'll show you the rest of the typewriter since maybe I didn't do any of that now. She's clean, fixed, you know, crinkle finish. I know this light sucks here. Won't live here forever though. You got some words down here about, you know, Royal Typewriter Company, New York. Had some Massachusetts typewriter supplies logo there. I was kicking around maybe, since that was from a left-hand platen, maybe mounting that in there. It does look pretty good with that in the middle, doesn't it? I might do that yet. And there we go. So let's just throw some paper in and type with this. And did the feed rollers, you know, all that kind of stuff. Alright, so we'll watch the ribbon travel. There was a real bad hang up in the material at the space bar. And there we go. Pretty nice machine. Alright, everybody. Yeah, that all lines up good. I just wanted to show it off. One of 3,000 with the crinkle finish in this body style. Excellent. Keyboard cleaned up nice. Have a good day, everybody.